Most cataracts don't appear suddenly. They develop quietly, little by little, often while you're sleeping. During the night, your eyes are resting, but inside the lens, oxidative stress continues. With age, the lens becomes fragile, and every night, tiny amounts of damage can build up. You may wake up feeling like the world looks slightly foggy. Lights feel brighter. Faces don't look as sharp. Many seniors think this is just aging or poor sleep, but often it's an early sign of cataract formation. According to the National Eye Institute, more than half of Americans over 75 have cataracts. What many don't realize is that the lens is most vulnerable at night. There's no blinking, fewer protective tears, and your natural defenses are lower. Over time, this silent damage adds up. The good news is this: you can support your eyes naturally while you sleep. Some of the most powerful nutrients for lens protection aren't found in pills, but in simple, nourishing foods. Tonight, I want to share 3 gentle bedtime soups that can help reduce oxidative stress, calm inflammation, and support clearer vision over time. First, spinach and ginger soup. Spinach is rich in chlorophyll, lutein, and beta-carotene. These nutrients help protect lens proteins from sticking together and forming cloudiness. Lutein, in particular, helps slow lens opacity and filters harmful light. Ginger adds powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that calm the low-grade inflammation linked to cataracts. A warm spinach and ginger soup in the evening helps protect your lenses during the night when damage usually occurs. Second, pumpkin soup. Pumpkin is one of the best natural sources of zeaxanthin, a pigment your lens depends on to stay strong and clear. Zeaxanthin acts like internal sunglasses, protecting the lens from oxidative stress. Studies show seniors who eat more zeaxanthin-rich foods have a lower risk of cataracts. Pumpkin also helps keep nighttime blood sugar steady, which is important because high glucose can speed up lens clouding. A simple pumpkin soup with a little healthy fat helps your eyes rebuild their natural protection. Third, miso broth. Miso works differently. It supports your body's production of glutathione, a key antioxidant that cleans waste from the lens. As we age, glutathione levels drop, allowing damage to build up. Miso is fermented and rich in compounds that help restore this detox system. Drinking warm miso broth about an hour before bed supports overnight repair and helps reduce that morning fog many seniors notice. How to use these soups? You don't need all 3 every night. Simply rotate them through the week. One evening spinach and ginger, another pumpkin, another miso. Even 3 nights a week can make a difference. Have your soup about 1 hour before bedtime and keep evenings calm and light. Your eyes have worked hard for you your entire life. If mornings feel blurrier, lights seem harsher, or faces less clear, it doesn't mean your vision story is over. It means your eyes are asking for support. Spinach and ginger to calm inflammation, pumpkin to restore protective pigment, miso to clear away damage. Small choices made consistently can help you wake up seeing the world more clearly again. If this video helped you understand your eyes a little better or gave you hope that small daily habits can still make a difference, a quick reminder. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any medical condition. If you have cataracts, vision loss, diabetes, or any eye disease, please talk with your eye doctor or healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or routine. These soups are meant to support eye health, not replace professional medical care.